Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we will learn about special colors and things made of these special colors. This is going to be fun. Are you ready? The first color is black. Black. Here are some things that are black. Camera. Camera. Bat. Bat. Coal. Coal. Crow. Crow. Tire. Tire. Fly. Fly. Gorilla. Gorilla. Have you seen a gorilla before? Maybe at the zoo? The next color is brown. Brown. Here are some things that are brown. Wood. Wood. Horse. Horse. Cookies. Cookies. Coffee. Coffee. Soil. Soil. Acorn. Acorn. Chocolate. Chocolate. I enjoy eating chocolate ice cream. Now comes the color pink. Pink. Here are some things that are pink. Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. Cotton candy. Cotton candy. Tongue. Tongue. Flamingo. Flamingo. Pig. Pig. Pigs like to play in the mud. Now let's look at the color white. White. Here are some things that are white. Eggs. Eggs. Tissue paper. Tissue paper. Milk. Milk. Rice. Rice. Sugar. Sugar. Polar bear. Polar bear. Snow. Snow. Do you like playing with snow? The next color is gray. Gray. Here are some things that are gray. Seal. Seal. Pigeon. Pigeon. Mouse. Mouse. Elephant. Elephant. Stones. Stones. Donkey. Donkey. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins swim really fast. This is a really special color. Gold. Gold. Here are some things that are gold. Gold bars. Gold bars. Gold coins. Gold coins. Gold necklace. Gold necklace. Gold ring. Gold ring. Trophy. Trophy. Crown. Crown. You wear the crown on your head. The last special color is silver. Silver. Here are some things that are silver. Silver watch. Silver watch. Faucet. Faucet. Can. Can. Bowl. Bowl. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Keys. Keys. You need a key to open the lock. I really enjoyed learning about special colors. Which one did you like best? Awesome! Let's watch the video again so you can learn them even better. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.